What's up, everyone? This is Elijah with Financial Anatomy. This is a place where you'll learn how to take control of your financial destiny. We talk about credit cards, personal finance, and apps that involve money on this channel. We're going to be covering the Venmo app today and how to find your account number and routing number. So you want to start off by opening your Venmo app up. Then you want to click on where it says cards. Once here, there's an arrow button that is right underneath the Venmo word on the card. Click on it. And you'll be given a few options. You actually want to move this down with your finger and then scroll down, and it shows direct deposit and it has the routing number and account number. Now, in order to reveal this information, you just click on the eye icon that's right above the routing number, and it will reveal your account number and routing number. This can be used for direct deposit and anything that you need that information for. Alternatively, if you don't have a Venmo card, you can use this method of locating your account number. Click on the Me button in the bottom right-hand corner and click on the wrench icon in the top right-hand corner. Once here, scroll down to where it says direct deposit. Scroll down and you'll see account details, and you'll see the routing number and account number. Once again, if you want to see this information, just click on view and the information will be revealed. That does it for this video. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment section below. I'll catch you in the next video. Like the video if you found value in it, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Now get out there and take control of your financial destiny.